What's up? Welcome to a new video. We are down here at Dave's workshop with my magician over there, Brad from BS Tuning Performance. XY is all warmed up. Dave's about to throw it on the dyno. We're going to see what this makes power-wise. Stay tuned. Comment down below what you reckon it's going to make. I reckon about 368. There's the madman himself. What numbers are we looking at, young Bretley?
Starts with a 5, doesn't it?
5
horsepower.
50 horsepower. Oh yeah, for the American watchers.
Yeah. We haven't turned the boost up yet.
We haven't wicked it up yet. Car for a change, bud.
It's got a real engine in it.
Wouldn't be my car if it wasn't going sideways now, would it? Now, who are you? Introduce yourself, young David.
Dave from Dave's workshop.
Oh, stop it. How long have you been down here, bud?
7 years.
7 years? And what do you specialise in?
LS.
And what are we doing here?
LS base cars.
Exactly. Check him out. I'll put his link in the description, so go check him out. Don't mention my name, he'll charge you double.
At least.
Here's our dyno sheet from 5 years ago. Did we get the date, Brett? 5 years ago. It was that high, we couldn't fit all the bloody numbers on the thing, so we'll start again. Some of the other big hitters. 421. Oh yeah, there's Quinton's. Okay, we are here, we're locked on the dyno, ready to go. We're going to get a power run. What you don't know is what I'm trying to scheme behind the scenes. We needed a dyno run anyway to do a power comparison. So here we are, going to run her up, get the tune. It's been 5 years since we've had the tune looked at. And we'll see how much power she makes.
Run it one more, see if it leans up the next run. Yeah, just leave it. Get it cleaned up.
Do you need me to fit in the back so the tyres stop bloody turning? So what are we discussing?
Take a little bit of fuel out of it.
Yeah, a little bit richer this time than last time.
Yep.
Maybe with the new fuel system.
Yep.
Might be holding a better pressure. So
Yeah, sweet.
we'll lean it out a little bit extra and give it another run.
Now what I also like to do is once we've got our tune done. I like to ramp it up to on limiter, off limiter, just to see how the map goes, like try and emulate drifting a little bit. I've got stick tires on. Not 8. Enough for a skid. Always enough for a skid.
Always up for ski.
Always up there skid. That's a bit better. Well played. What timing were you on? Bloody shifty little shits you do, huh? Alright, we just made 381. She's running really well. The boys want to change the pulley. I said no. I don't think you can even hear me. But pretty happy with it so far. They're going to lean it out a little bit more. Plenty of timing. Keep it at 395. I'm blown away. I thought 360, 380. So when I went to 381, I was pumped. Then she pumped up to 395. The boys were playing with the tune, trying to lean it out a little bit more to get that magic 400. Not even upset. So we'll do a bit of a wrap up, see what the boys are going to laugh about. Thank you very much, Dave and Brent. You guys are legends. 395. Happy days. Brett's VF, we'll be doing another video on that, and I won't be letting him drive this time. Back to drift, Ching.
Yeah, back to you, Mum. Give another quick run.
Okay.
Just another quick run.
Bloody hoon? Alright.
Loves it.
Now what's she saying? All read well?
Yeah.
Hearable? I'm happy. Believe it or not, I asked the guys to do that. Like, I want to emulate drifting on the track. So, Dave applied to the limiter. Everyone's happy. 395, huh mate? Yeah, that was mad. Happy Bretley?
Pulley,
Very impressive.
smaller pulley, 450, done.
No, shut your
Yes.
mouth. No.
At least.
Bigger
At least.
blower, mate.
That was still on. That was on £7.
Oh, stop it.
So
It's only starting.
And
so
what timing are we running?
24 degrees timing.
And fuel ratio?
11.9 to
Yep,
1.
so-
So it's nice and safe.
And we did the limited test.
Ready to be thrashed.
Yes.
It's ready for some action.
Coming to a track live. Geordie's hiding. Doesn't want to be on camera. There you go, you're there. Just got to drive it now. Stop being a pussy. Just get it out. Amazing. Can't thank Dave and Brett enough for staying back tonight and tuning this beast up. And 395 absolutely blows my mind. Didn't think it was going to make that much. So, and we didn't even trick the dyno. So.
We should have done a hero run.
Hero run.
Like everyone else does.
Loosen the straps off.
Yep. Hey, you take it off.
Yeah, oh, yeah, there you go.
Yeah, let it right up there the street.
Seen that before.
Nah, legend. Thank you very much, sir.
Not a problem.
Come down and see him. He'll look after. You won't. I should probably say don't forget to like, comment and subscribe because no one's doing it. You tell them. Fucking get on it. You
Get
won't.
on it. Get on it.
Like and subscribe.
Oh, come on. Bit of gusto. Come on.
Like and subscribe.
Yeah,
Get into it.
Yeah, that's it.